Hey, what's up, guys? It's day 11 of coding every day for 100 days, and we're gonna finish the exercises from yesterday. So yeah, I'm on, I'm on, I'm on, I'm on, I'm on exercise 14H. So we're gonna make save appear when clicking update. Okay, first we have to, um, okay, I don't think even we need to do this. Okay, maybe we will do this, but so we will add update. To update, we will add a class is hidden, and to save we will add is hidden. Let's see. Okay, what is is hidden save, is hidden save, and is hidden save. So now we're going to get the um okay, the input is visible, is hidden save. Okay, wait, but the update needs to be visible. There we go. So when clicking the update, when clicking the update, when clicking update, okay, how do we do this? Container product ID, just update quantity link, update, quantity link. Okay, so this selects all of them. So we're gonna add, just update quantity link, dataset product ID, JS card item container dash product ID, product ID, contain. Okay, so first we need to select the input quantity input. So we're gonna select it here. Cost input element equals document.query selector this, and then uh save, the save button. So save quantity link, save quantity link, const save span element equals document dot query selector this, and now we're going to um Now we're going to query selector, product ID. So now on click, we're gonna do remove this, and we're gonna input element dot class list dot remove is hidden save. I think this is it. It's hidden save, yes. Okay, and it does it only on this, which is good. Nice. And then also span elements dot class list dot remove dot is hidden save. Okay, so CSS is entering quantity. Okay, appear. Okay, using similar CSS selectors, make the quantity and the update this make disappear when editing the quantity. Okay, so update. So we're gonna do document dot query selector js update quantity link dot inner dot class list dot add is hidden save, like this. So we're gonna click. There we go, the update is no longer there. And then the quantity quantity so quantity label. Okay, quantity label. So we're gonna do document dot query selector quantity label dot class list dot add is hidden save. Update. There we go. Update. Why does it work only on the first one though? It works only on the first one. What the heck? Huh. Does it work here? Why does it work only on the first one? I have no idea. Hmm. Hmm. Why does showing the up why does the clicking the update span functionality work only on the first item in the cart and not on the others? Got your vehicles of kerosene. Great, what's going on? What's wrong? Inside of the hammer, you're going like this. Selector. Always returns the first matching element that's in the entire document. The correct method. Here's a card item container. You already did the hard part correctly here. Container. Okay, so once you have a specific card container, you must query inside it, not the whole document. Uh-huh. Container. Okay, container. 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 So I'm just in the container then. Container. Container. Okay, now it works. Okay. Okay, so next up, quantity. Now we implement switching between update and save. And click event listeners to save to all save links. When clicking save, do the opposite of updating and get the cart item container for the product and remove the class is editing quantity. This should reverse all this or styling. Hmm. So we're gonna do documents.query selector all. Um, we need the save links. Save. Save. Where's the update? Save. Save quantity link. Save quantity link. Dot for each link 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 dot add event listener click, and this is gonna be console the log save clicked right? So let's see, inspect. Let's go here, save. Okay, save clicked. Here, save. Okay, save clicked. Okay. And now okay, so data product. So we're gonna just copy this. We're gonna paste it on the save like so. Then we're going to get this. Then we're going to actually did I do it correctly? Save data product ID, matching product ID, yes, okay. So um const container product ID. So just container. JS cart item container. Okay, okay, okay. So we're gonna get this. We're gonna put it here. Console.log product ID. Let's see. Console. Save. Okay. Save. Okay. Save. Okay. So I think we do the same thing here. The same thing here. Just we're gonna do instead of input span, instead of so we're gonna do this. We're gonna do remove date save. Okay, and then also on these on this is going to be class list dot add dot add. Okay, there we go. There we go. They should reverse all styling. We're clicking save user dump to get the quantity input for the product and get the value inside. We want to convert this value to a number. This will be the new quantity of the product in the cart. I'm clicking save. Okay, so the input is right here. Quantity input. Let quantity equal container dot query selector dot this, and then let's console the log quantity. Let's see, update. Let's say 5, save. Okay, it doesn't work. Document. Oh wait, it's in the wrong thing. Or it's not, is it in the wrong thing? Yes, in the wrong thing. So container update 5 save update 5 save. Actually, we need the dot value update 5 save. There we go. Convert this to a number like this, and then update 1 2 save. Okay, is it done? Convert this to a number. This will be the new quantity of the product in the cart. Okay. In cart.js, create a function update quantity product ID new quantity, which will find a matching product in the cart. Okay. Should find a matching product in the cart and update its quantity to the new quantity. Remember to save to storage after. Function update quantity product ID new quantity. Okay. Cart dot for each cart item if product ID equals cart item dot product ID. Actually, we're gonna need even a new cart. New cart. Update the cart value quantity, which will find a matching product in the cart and update its quantity to new quantity. Okay, so new cart. So I'm gonna do it with this for let I get 0 I less than cart dot length I plus plus if cart of I dot product ID equals product ID. So I'm gonna do new cart dot push product ID quantity new quantity, and then continue. Else we're gonna have new cart dot push cart of I, and then return. And we're gonna then cart equals a new cart and save to storage. like this. Then import this function, export to storage. Then import and use this function when clicking a save link. Okay, so we're gonna import we're going to import update quantity, and we're gonna come down here. We're gonna say cart. So we're gonna say, oh, we just gonna say update cart quantity product ID quantity, like so. And let's see if it works. Let's do 15. Okay, it doesn't work. 22. Okay, wait, it's not. It's update quantity, not update cart quantity. Update quantity. Date 11. Update wait. It works when we refresh, but okay, so here we need to do um this 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 dot inner HTML equals quantity. So we're gonna do 33. Oops, misspelled. Okay, so 44. Okay, what is it? For there 9 45. Save. Application cart. Why does this not? Container quantity input. Save quantity link. Huh. Quantity. Let's say the container let's do 3. Okay, it's blank for some reason. Document 12. Okay, it's blank. Why does the inner HTML not get updated right here without refreshing? You're tripping over a very specific Mercam input element. Nothing is async or delayed here, just the wrong property. The problem is elements do not use inner HTML. Oops, it needs to be dot value. Dot value. So 15, okay, 14, okay, for 15. Nope, still doesn't work. Oh, oops, not quantity input. Not quantity input. Rather, mm, it's gonna be this, I think. It's gonna be this. Quantity label. Yes. Okay. Dot inner HTML equals quantity. This is 16. There we go. 2. There we go. And 4. There we go. Okay. Also, now that we've updated the quantity in the cart, the last step is to update the quantity in the HTML. Update these two places. Check out. Okay, so okay, so 5. Save. Okay, so we need to update the items. Check out items. So we're gonna update cart quantity, like right down here, I think. So let's say it goes up to 7. There we go. It goes up to 10. There we go. 10 plus 16 is 26, and plus 2 is 28. Yes. Try to come up with more features to add to the update link, like add validation. Check the new quantity is greater than 0 or less than 1000. Add keyboard support, allow updating by pressing enter. Okay. Okay, so if quantity is less than 1, or quantity is greater than 1000, we're going to do alert invalid quantity. So let's say we get 0 invalid quantity. Okay, then return. Can get 1, then 0. Save. There we go. Input. So we need the input. And keyboard support to allowing updating by pressing enter. Okay, so This is the okay. So this is what happens when we click save. So how do we do this with enter? With uh with enter by pressing enter. To be honest, okay, let's do below here maybe. Like let's do a p invalid quantity. Let's do quantity error. Then we're gonna do um go to checkout CSS. Then we're gonna do quantity error color red, font style italic. For quantity, okay, but how do we, okay, mm, hmm. I want this to appear only when, okay, I'm not gonna do this like this. I'm gonna keep it as it was. Okay, so update invalid quantity. There we go. And now um let's try to, should we use enter? Updating by pressing enter. Document dot query selector input put dot add event listener key down. Uh, so this here we're gonna have the event. We're gonna console log event dot key like this. Let's see. There we go. If event dot key equals enter, we're just gonna do all of this again. I'm just gonna get this, put it here. Then we're going to get all of this. Get all of this and put it here. Let's see, update. Link is not defined. 198. 198. Okay. Okay, so link is not defined. Let's delete this. Delete this. Save quantity. So we're just gonna get the input. So we're gonna get the input, which is quantity input, like this. Argument dot query selector all quantity input dot for each input. Then we're going to give it a one of these, right? I think. To the input right here. Input. We're gonna do input dot add event listener key down event console.log key event dot key. Where's the save now? Here now. Why is the save visible? I have no idea. Class list 145. 145. Okay, I'm gonna remove all this. 200 and okay, remove this. Okay, now it's back to normal. Okay. Okay, guys, we're gonna call it there for today. I'm gonna try to implement these features probably on my own time. That's gonna be it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And also follow me, all links in the description. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a good one.